Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Oluwajoba. If this is your first time here, please consider subscribing and liking this video if you end up enjoying it. Also leave your comments in the comment section below. First, let me say happy holidays. I hope you guys are having a swell time. I hope you guys are already preparing for Christmas. So in today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys my top 5 favorite red lipsticks. I mean, it's a holiday season. People wear more red lipsticks this period, yeah. So I thought to come and show you guys my top 5 favorite red lipsticks, and I decided to pick them from the affordable range to the expensive range. So whatever your budget is, you'll be able to fit into buying any of this lipstick. So if this sounds like something you're interested in, then please enjoy the video. Okay, so like I said earlier, you guys, I'm going to be sharing with you guys 5 of my favorite red lipsticks, and it doesn't matter what your shade is, doesn't matter what your color is, it doesn't matter what your undertone is. I believe that these red lipsticks will work very well for you if you're a woman of color, and no matter what your undertone is. So these are lipsticks that I have tried, and I've also tried on my clients, and I see that it works well for women of color. Yeah, so it doesn't matter what your undertone is, doesn't matter what your skin tone is, these lipsticks will work well for you. And considering that it's the holidays, a lot of people will be wearing a lot of red lipsticks. You want to be sure that you're wearing the right shade for your color. Do you understand? So without further ado, guys, let's jump right in. First and foremost, I need to mention that out of these 5 red lipsticks, 3 of them are normal lipsticks and 2 of them are liquid lipsticks. So I'm going to start with the affordable ones, and I will graduate towards the expensive one. Yeah, so the first lipstick I'm going to be showing you is the NYX Suede Matte Lipstick in Spicy. Spicy is the name of this lipstick, and this is what it looks like. Yeah, I'm just going to swatch it on my hands. It has this creamy feel on the skin. I love it, guys. I love it. So using it on my lips, normally if I'm using a red lipstick, I like to line it with a red pencil or maybe another, depending on what I'm going for. But because I want you guys to see the exact shade of this lipstick, I'm not going to line them. I'm just going to apply them directly on my lips. Yeah, alright, so what it looks like on my lips. I think it is a rich red color, and I like the velvety feel on my lips. It doesn't feel harsh, it doesn't feel drying at all. It just sits. You don't even feel that you have anything on your lips. That's how amazing this lipstick feels on the skin. So if you're on a budget and you're looking for a really nice red lipstick, I would advise that you go for this one. It's an affordable option, and yes, I totally recommend this. So I'm just going to quickly take this off and then continue with swatching. Okay, so the next lipstick that I'll be showing you guys is a liquid lipstick from NYX as well. This is NYX Liquid Suede Lipstick in Kitten Heels. So this is what it looks like, and taking it out of this is what it looks like. So this is a liquid lipstick, and guys, the first time I saw this lipstick, I saw it on a colleague's lip in the office, and it was just amazing. Like, it looked so amazing, even though she's Caucasian, yeah, but I just felt like, what kind of lipstick is this? Please, girl, hook a girl up. So she showed me, I took a picture and then went straight to the store to get mine. I love this lipstick. So I'm just going to swatch it for you guys. So this is what it looks like. It is a red, like red, yeah, and it says that it has vitamin E and avocado in it, which allows your lip not to remain dry. So I'm just going to do a quick application on my lips. This lipstick also has that velvety feel to it when you're applying it, I love it because look at it now, it has dried down and it doesn't feel like my lips are dry. Do you understand what I'm saying? Because there's some lipsticks that when you use them, they make your lip feel very dry, but this doesn't make my lip feel that way, which is why I like it. It has dried down now and I absolutely love what it looks like on my skin tone. Yeah, so this is another affordable lipstick that you can get. If you don't want the normal lipstick, you can of course get the liquid lipstick. I got each of them for 10 euros. This is 10 euros and this is 10 euros as well. So if you are looking for affordable red lipstick that will look great, and this has been tried on a Caucasian skin, this has also been tried on a black skin, so you can get this as well. I love the finish that I get with this lipstick. So the next lipstick I'm going to be showing you guys is this lipstick from MaryKay, and this is what it looks like. It is true like red, but it feels like it has like a hint of orange in it, just a tad bit of orange in it. But yeah, it is a semi-matte lipstick. So this is what it looks like on my lip. Like I said, it has this orange tint to it. It is not true red like I mentioned earlier. It has a hint of orange in it, but I decided to put it in on this list because of days where I want to wear red but not very bright red. Do you understand what I'm saying? When I want the fusion of red and orange, I tend to go towards this lipstick. This particular lipstick gives me that effect of having orange and red mixed together. Yeah, so if you want a red lipstick with a hint of orange, then this is definitely the lipstick that you want to go for. So the MaryKay lipstick retails for 22 euros. I bought it for 22 euros. So as you guys notice that we are gradually leaving the affordable section and we are moving towards the high-end section. So the next lipstick on my list is MAC Ruby Woo. I'm not sure anyone will make a list of amazing red lipsticks for women of color especially and not put the MAC Ruby Woo. This is the grandfather and grandmother of all red lipsticks, and this is just a lipstick that has been there, is still there, and will be there. So this is what it looks like, and straight out of this thing, it is a red, like red, true red lipstick. I love this lipstick. I love it. I love it. I love it. So swatching it on my lips, oh my god, like there's not day that I use this MAC Ruby Woo and I'm not like, oh, you know, feeling all bougie and feeling all fly. That's how this lipstick makes me feel. I absolutely love it. It is matte, it is not drying. This is one of my favorite lipstick. Well, that's why I'm making this video. It is not drying, it is amazing. It feels amazing on the skin. Like I don't even have to, if you can afford it, please buy the MAC Ruby Woo. I don't have to say too much. I don't have to say plenty story. It is a very, very good lipstick. I love it. And if you have maybe like 25 euros, or yeah, I think it's about 25 euros. So if you have about that amount, then please get this lipstick. If you are looking to buying a lipstick, MAC Ruby Woo is the lipstick to buy. So this is still the MAC Ruby Woo on my lips. I don't feel like taking it off every time I use it. Man, guys, if you haven't used this lipstick, if you haven't honed it before, please try to get it. At least experience it for once. It is amazing, amazing, guys, amazing, amazing, and it is worth every penny. So the last lipstick on my list, and definitely the most expensive lipstick on my list today, is the Fenty Beauty Lipstick in Uncensored. So this lipstick has to be like the most pigmented lipstick that I have seen and used. A little with this, a little goes a long way. If you know anyone that is more pigmented than the Fenty Beauty Uncensored lipstick, please leave it in the comment section. I would like to try that as well. So let me swatch it quickly for you guys. So guys, this thing is so pigmented. You want to use a little goes a long way with this lipstick. So this is what it looks like. Can you see that it is true red? And when you apply it the first time, it's just like the NYX. It doesn't it's not matte, but over time when you give it like a few more seconds, it dries down matte. As you can see, it's drying matte. Boy, do I love this lipstick. I absolutely love it. So this is what the Fenty Beauty lip stain in Uncensored. This is what it looks like on my lips. I absolutely love this lipstick, and I feel that it is worth every euro that I have spent purchasing it. So yeah, so if you know, like I said, if you know any other red lipstick that is more pigmented than the Fenty, please leave it in his comment section below. I would love to try that as well. Okay guys, so that's about it for this video. These are my top 5 favorite red lipsticks. I tried to, like I said earlier, pick them from the affordable range to the high-end range. So whatever your budget is, I'm sure you'll be able to fit in from 10 euros to 30 something euros. I got the Fenty Beauty for I think 35 euros. All of them work amazingly well. They swatch really great. They feel amazing on the skin. Guys, I have tried quite a number of lipstick. As you guys know that I'm a makeup artist, so I tend to come across a lot of products. Yeah, some lipstick leave your lip feeling very dry. I don't want to mention any brand, but I have one currently in my kit that I don't use. I've just not found the strength to throw that lipstick away, and this is also a red lipstick, so I know what I'm saying when I say that I have carefully selected these lipsticks for you guys, so that you don't go and make those shopping mistakes. Yeah, no matter what your skin tone is, no matter what your color is, no matter how dark you are or how light you are, these lipsticks will fit well with any woman of color. If you cannot afford the Fenty and the Ruby Woo, then you can definitely get the NYX. It's quite affordable. It's just 10 euros and it works really well. I've used it on my clients before and I have just amazing things to say. So you can try any of these out. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I hope it was helpful in case any of you guys want to get a red lipstick shade this holiday season. Please make sure you wear a red lipstick this holiday season. It is Christmas, wear a red lipstick so you know what to pick from, so that you don't make those buying mistakes. And let me know in the comment section below which one you would love to get if you decide to get a red lipstick, or let me know which red lipstick is your favorite red lipstick. Maybe I don't have it on my list and I'll be willing to, you know, try it out. If you did enjoy this video, please go ahead and smash the like button, and if you are watching up until now and you haven't subscribed, please hit the subscribe button and join our amazing family. Thank you so much once again guys for always hanging out with me, and I'll see you guys in my next one. Jesus loves you. Bye.